back to my channel. I'm going to film my nighttime routine with you guys tonight. I just want to show you what I do to prep for waking up at 5 a.m. Right now it is 7:24, 7:25, and I am about to make dinner and get ready for bed. So I'm going to show you my little routine. Right now, I am about to put some salmon into the air fryer. I have salmon from Trader Joe's. I'm going to put that in the air fryer. And then I'm going to clean up the kitchen, unload the dishwasher, reload it, and then prep the rest of the stuff for my dinner. Lately, I've been watching, what is it called? I've been in my thriller era. I've watched 56 Days, and then what did I watch after that? The Girlfriend. I saw the Housemaids movie. I've just been in my thriller era. So the show that I'm watching now is called Behind Her Eyes. It's on Netflix. I'm on the 3rd episode. It's pretty good so far. I'm still waiting for something to really grab my attention, but we're going to go ahead and put the salmon in the air fryer and clean up the kitchen and start this night routine.
I want to show you 2 things that I like to do at night to prep for the gym in the morning. I like to make sure my workout clothes are picked out, and I always make sure my gym bag's together. My headphones, my shoes, I want to make sure everything's in there. So in the morning, when I get up, I just need to grab my things and go. And I love to just wind down at night, either by making myself a dinner or warming up a meal prep and sitting down to watch that episode of the show. Just something so relaxing about being able to do this in my night. As someone who was working second shift for the last 3 years, I wasn't really able to do this at night because I was working until 11:30. So this routine is something that I truly enjoy, and it's just helped me so much with calming my mind after a busy day, and it just creates space for me to relax so that I can wake up at 5 a.m. and do the things that I need to do. On top of that, it's important for me to make sure that my kitchen is clean because it is where I do most of my morning prep before I head out for the gym. So I have my pre-workout snack, I take my vitamins, I get my warm lemon water, I'm making sure I have my protein bar, my energy drink and stuff before I go. I make sure I feed Kobe. All of that happens in my kitchen. So making sure that that space is clean and ready to go before I walk into it at 5 a.m. in the morning, it just makes this process so much simpler. And so this little part of my night routine is important. While I was eating dinner, the lights in my bedroom automatically come on. I have it set on a timer to where the lights will turn red at about 8:10, and then that is when I know I need to start getting ready for bed. So I'm heading over to do my skincare routine, and anything that I use will be linked on my my description box below, so you guys can check that out. Plus, you're gonna have a little dance party while you're getting ready for bed. But this is just another process that I absolutely love. It's just a reminder of being able to take time for yourself at the end of the night that really sets you up for a productive morning. So again, anything used for my skincare will be linked on my and my description box below. And I want to show you guys what it looks like on my phone. When my phone goes into downtime, it shows that my alarm is already set, and it gives me a notification that it is time to go to bed. So then I'll go ahead and I'll get into bed, and then I will just read until my lights turn off. So the thing about the light bulbs that I have is that I can set a timer for them. They'll automatically come on, and then they'll automatically start to dim at the time of cutoff, so that it just slowly lets you know that it's time to go to bed. And it also does the same thing in the morning to wake me up. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and you found some things that you want to implement in your routine, and I will see you guys in the next video. If you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.
On hardwood floors, across the floor. It's